Imagine waking up to a personal AI assistant that already knows your schedule, anticipates your needs, and intelligently manages your entire home. Picture slipping on a pair of sleek glasses that overlay digital information onto your real world, translating languages in real time, or guiding you through a bustling city with augmented reality directions. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, stop imagining, because this is 2025, and these aren't just concepts. They are the groundbreaking realities available right now. Welcome back to TechWave 65, where we dive into the bleeding edge of technology that's actively reshaping our lives. If you live for that thrill of discovering what's next and want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place, and if you find this video mind-blowing, please give it a massive thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our growing community. For years, we've been promised smart tech, but often it felt clunky, disconnected, and not truly intelligent. We struggled with endless apps, privacy concerns, and devices that reacted rather than anticipated. The problem was a lack of seamless integration and genuine predictive intelligence. But 2025 flips the script entirely, introducing innovations that are not just incrementally better, but fundamentally transformative, solving those old frustrations by embedding AI and connectivity so deeply, your tech becomes an invisible, intuitive extension of yourself. Let's dive into the core of it. The top gadget innovations of 2025, broken down by how they're revolutionizing our world. First, the undisputed king of 2025 innovation is artificial intelligence, but on your device. Forget relying solely on the cloud. New AI PCs from Intel with their Lunar Lake and Core Ultra chips are bringing unprecedented on-device AI processing. This means your laptop isn't just faster, it's genuinely smarter, capable of real-time AI tasks like instant content generation, complex data analysis, and hyper-efficient system optimization, all with enhanced privacy because processing happens locally. For example, AI-powered tools can summarize lengthy documents in seconds or generate stunning images directly on your machine. This same on-device AI power is revolutionizing smartphones like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and Google Pixel 9 Pro. Equipped with advanced neural processing units and micro-LLMs, these phones offer hyper-personalized assistance that learns your habits, predicts your needs, and proactively offers contextually relevant information. Their computational photography capabilities are now truly next level, capable of magical object removal and intelligent scene enhancement in real time. Moving beyond your pocket, extended reality, XR, is finally becoming truly practical with sophisticated smart glasses. Companies like Halliday and Rokid have launched sleek, lightweight AR glasses featuring invisible displays that project crisp digital information directly into your line of sight. These aren't just for notifications. Their AI enables real-time language translation in dozens of languages, acts as a discrete teleprompter, and overlays intuitive navigation directly onto the street in front of you, making travel and daily interactions effortlessly seamless. Our homes are also undergoing a radical transformation into hyper-intelligent smart homes that truly understand and adapt to us. AI-powered appliances from Samsung, Ask a Home AI, and LG Ask Affectionate Intelligence are leading the charge. Imagine refrigerators that actively monitor food freshness, suggest recipes based on expiring ingredients, and automatically add items to your grocery list. Robotic vacuums, like Roborock's Saro series, are now so advanced they use AI vision to identify and even move obstacles like socks or pet toys out of their path, ensuring a truly hands-free clean. Beyond convenience, smart health mirrors like Withings Omnia are turning your bathroom into a personal health clinic, performing 360-degree body scans and providing customized health insights into your body composition, heart health, and more. A game changer for preventative care. This leads us to health and wellness tech, where 2025's innovations are creating personal biotwins. Next-generation smartwatches and smart rings, like the latest Oura Ring models, are integrating clinical-grade sensors that offer continuous, precise monitoring. We're talking cuffless blood pressure readings directly from your wrist, sweat sensors for real-time hydration analysis, and advanced sleep tracking that goes beyond stages to infer mood and stress levels, providing truly actionable health advice. Oslo Sleep Buds are revolutionizing rest, offering comfortable noise-blocking earbuds with smart alarms and detailed sleep tracking to ensure truly restorative sleep. These devices are becoming critical partners in empowering us to live healthier, longer lives. For all you gamers and entertainment enthusiasts, 2025 is a golden age of immersive gaming and entertainment. The handheld gaming market is exploding with powerful devices like the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus and Lenovo Legion Go S, packing desktop-level performance into portable form factors, capable of running demanding 8AA titles with stunning fidelity wherever you are. Monitors are reaching new heights with Asus's ROG Swift OLED PG27 UCDM, a 27-inch 4K QD OLED monitor boasting a blazing 240Hz refresh rate and a claimed 40% brighter panel, delivering unparalleled visual immersion for competitive play and cinematic content. Even gaming peripherals are evolving. Razer's Project Ariel concept gaming chair can dynamically heat or cool you, making marathon sessions incredibly comfortable. Beyond hardware, AI is transforming gameplay itself, with AI-driven NPCs that behave with unprecedented realism and adaptability, making game worlds feel more alive and responsive than ever before. Finally, two critical areas are quietly revolutionizing the entire gadget landscape: connectivity and sustainability. The full maturity of 5G and the early stages of 6G development, combined with the growth of edge computing, are providing the invisible backbone for these innovations, enabling real-time AI and seamless IoT communication. Crucially, sustainability has moved to the forefront, with widespread use of eco-friendly materials, recycled components, and a strong push for modular, repairable designs, ensuring our advanced gadgets are also more responsible. This commitment to right to repair is extending device lifespans and reducing electronic waste, making our tech more powerful and more planet-friendly. So, there you have it, the top gadget innovations of 2025. What truly defines this year isn't just one groundbreaking device, but the seamless integration and profound intelligence woven into every aspect of our tech. AI isn't just a feature. It's the invisible force making our devices understand us better than ever before. XR is enhancing how we learn, work, and interact with information. Our homes are intuitive partners, and our health devices are proactive guardians, empowering us to live healthier, longer lives. This isn't just about cool new toys. It's about a fundamental shift in how technology serves humanity, making our lives more efficient, more enjoyable, and truly more connected than ever before. The future isn't just arriving in 2025, it's settling in and making itself at home. What an incredible year for gadgets. We're genuinely thrilled by these leaps, and we want to know which of these innovations excites you the most. Are you ready for AI to redefine your daily routine, or are you more excited about the health breakthroughs? Let me know in the comments below. Your engagement helps this channel grow, and it means the world to me. If you loved this deep dive into the future of tech, please give this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and tells me what kind of content you want to see more of. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you do not miss out on any of our future tech breakdowns and reviews. We're committed to bringing you the most insightful and exciting content on the latest innovations. And remember, for all things bleeding-edge tech, you're already part of the TechWave 65 family. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep riding that tech wave.